welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It ended up becoming a huge moneymaker for me, which is awesome. I got to the checkouts and I'm just like, whatever, I'm just gonna do it all at once and then I'll do a couple things here and there. But I think it turned out to be a pretty good haul. I ended up getting stuff that I was pretty excited about, and the reason why is because I looked at the fetch rewards as I was writing down my breakdowns. There is a couple fetch reward bonuses that you guys definitely want to do. Now please keep in mind these bonuses are different for everybody. Pretty much all the apps are usually different for everybody, but I have bonuses that expire in 2 days, so probably on Tuesday is when these expire. So if you guys can definitely do this deal, definitely do it. But yeah, let me get you guys what I got. Now the thing that you guys want to get, and you need to get this right away if you guys are interested in, is the Gillette shave cream. Now I first thought it was just going to be like the tiny little ones, but no, and then I kind of had an idea it was going to be the bigger ones, but then there's like tons of them. So I'm like, okay, I'm definitely going to do this deal. So I did buy a couple different ones. I did not clear the shelf. My store had them fully packed to the brim, so I just grabbed them and to show you guys some deals. And plus I give these to my stepdad and my brothers. They use these like crazy. So this one was $1.99, and the scenario is you can buy 3 of the ones that are $1.99, and then you guys will get a $5 register reward. So what you guys do is you buy 3 of them. You guys would pay $5.97. You guys will get a $5 register reward, making them 97 cents. You guys can do this deal as many times as you want. Just do not use that $5 register reward. As you guys know, my register reward did not print. Not a big deal. So they just ended up giving me points for that stuff, which I'm totally fine with. I don't like dealing with the Catalina company if I don't have to. But the ones that my store had marked for $1.99 were these, yeah, but they come out to 97 cents or like 32 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. But you got this little tiny one, which is an okay travel one. But what I like is the full-size ones. So these are $1.99. So this is the foamy Gillette regular. This is the sensitive one. My stepdad uses these like crazy, so I get these for him. Got those two, and I ended up getting a couple more just because he's a truck driver, and so he always has them on him, and then he has them at home, so I got those for him. And I got another red one, and then I ended up getting this Barbershop Fresh foam mousse. This was like a different one that I've never seen before, but this one was $1.99, so I got those. Now these were 3 different transactions that you guys need to do, but like I said, I did not clear the shelf. The cover came off of one of them. No! Gotta put the cover on. Don't want foam everywhere. And then there's just 2 more that are considered the $1.99 ones. And that's just your regular ones like these. So that's kind of cool. I did hopefully, I was hoping maybe some of the girl ones were that price, but those were not. But that is a pretty good deal. 97 cents for 3 of those is an awesome deal. Why can't I get it in my box? Okay. So the big deal, again, I was going to do this deal, had to do it. I still had the $3 off digital coupon on my Walgreens account, so I ended up buying these. These are $3.99. Now, if you guys have those $2 off coupons, go for it. I don't get those coupons, so I didn't use those. But I did use the digital, so you guys want to use 2 of them. They're buy one, get one 50% off at $3.99. You guys want to use that $3 off digital coupon. You guys would get these for $2.98. But then you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy 2. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points also and get points. So these will end up being free. So definitely do that deal if you guys are interested. I did the Rojoto deal. These are on sale for $9.99. You guys want to use that $5 off coupon that we just got in this past, not today's paper, but the last Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it absolutely free. So I actually do got a lot of Ibotta stuff today to share with you guys. So I actually finished a level of Ibotta, which is awesome. So got that. I ended up getting the Cadbury eggs because I have been craving these like crazy, and I asked the husband if he wants one and he says yes. So I'm being a nice wife, but I don't want him to have them. I just want him to say no thanks. But these are 4 for $3. You can get the Reese's eggs, and there's one other thing that you guys can get, but I'm really craving the Cadbury eggs. But 4 for $3. There is a $1 off of 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will get these for $2 a piece, $2 for 4 of them. And it comes out to be like 50 cents a piece. So it's an okay deal if you guys are really craving those. So definitely wanted to do the Cadbury deal. Now I ended up doing some deals that include Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. So what I needed, Fetch Rewards has this thing where if you spend $30, you get $10 back. Well, I've been submitting my receipts to Scott's, but it just wasn't enough. So what I ended up doing is I bought some items, and I actually had to correct my receipt. And usually they're pretty good when you correct your receipt on giving you the points right away, but since I had to really correct my receipt, it's taken a while to process. When I scanned it, it didn't show half of the items that I got, and it said I had like 900 something points, but it didn't show the Cottonelle. No, it didn't show any of my Kleenexes that I got. I got one Cottonelle, so I had to like resubmit the whole thing. So, but after me resubmitting this will get me my $10 reward. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. That's why I did this deal. So I ended up getting the Kleenex. It's either a 3-pack or a 4-pack. Now I did this deal twice because there's also a different deal that you guys want to do. But you guys, this is $5. There's a 50% off coupon that we just got in today's paper. Otherwise, if you guys don't get those coupons, you can go to scottsbrands.com and print off a 50% off coupon. There's also a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys can add with it, making it $3.25. Or you can, or that's what you guys would pay is $3 or $3.25. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $2.50 or just 62 cents a box, which is a pretty good deal. But on my Fetch Rewards, I have it where if you buy 2 Kleenex things, you guys will get a $1.50 back extra. So that comes out to be $1.75 or 75 cents extra. So these come out to technically be $1.75 a box, which is a pretty good deal. And then this also goes towards that huge spend 30 get 10. So these end up becoming pretty much free if you guys really think about it. So I think that is a pretty good deal. I'm not trying to confuse you. I'm not going to involve the Fetch breakdowns, but I'm just going to involve the Ibotta when I do the breakdowns for you guys. But had to get 2 to get that $1,500 or 1,500 points thing, which is technically $1.50. I ended up getting the Cottonelle wipes. Now these are $6. You guys want to use a 50% off coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $1 or $4.25 for this, but then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $4. But I also got a deal where I get 500 points for buying this, I think, and I get something else. Like I said, my points are all just jacked up, but $4 for this is an okay deal. There are 168 wipes in here, so it's not the greatest deal, but I did it to go towards my spend 30 get 10 back on Fetch. So did that deal. And then there was a deal where if I bought Cottonelle and the wipes, I would have gotten 2,000 points. That's $2 right there. So that's what I did. So I got the Cottonelle toilet paper. Now, there's a 50% off coupon that we just got in today's paper. Or you guys can go to Scott's Brands and print off a 55% off coupon. So that's what I did, was print off that 55% off coupon. So $6, the 55% off coupon. You guys use that $1.25 off coupon that we got in the Walgreens booklet. you guys would just get this for $4.20. You guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it $3.10. But like I said, I'll get 2,000 points back for buying both cottonelles. So that makes it a pretty good deal. And I get the 10 one. So definitely didn't want to try to confuse you, but I did that. I got these nice brand disinfecting wipes because I'm really into cleaning, and my stockpile is actually going pretty low, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try these just to see how well they do. These are $1.99, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. So I didn't do my math, but $1.99, pretty much $1. You guys would get these for $1.50 a piece. I don't know if it's the greatest deal, but hey, I still wanted to try it just to see how well these cleaning products do, because we do need some more cleaning products that we have. And then the last deal, I feel like I'm forgetting a deal. I feel like I'm forgetting something. But anyways, the last deal I got is the Love and Beauty shampoo and conditioner. Now, this is the stuff that I am using right now. I like it. I love the smell. The only thing is the bottle, like, you gotta shake, 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 shake just to get it out for both of them. But otherwise, I still think it's a pretty good product. The one that I really like is the Shea Butter and Sandalwood. But these are $8.49. They're not on sale, but they're $8.49. Now, we do have those buy one, get one free coupons that you guys can use, which is a pretty good coupon. So what you guys want to do is buy 4 of them. Use 2 of those buy one, get one free coupons that we have. Those you guys can use 2 of them. You guys would pay $16.98 for the 4 of these. But then in my Savings Star, I had a 5 off of 20 that I submitted my receipt to. So I'll get $5 back from Savings Star. And then you guys can also get points for Fetch Rewards. I didn't know what points I got because my whole thing that I submitted my receipts is messed up. But then I also got 5,000 points for when you spend $20, okay? So these come out to be just $6.98 or $1.74 a piece. Now, I usually say shampoo under $1 is the better deal, but there are some shampoos that we rarely ever get that I can rarely get deals on. This is something that I keep for myself. I put this in the Jennifer pile, so nobody who, you know, wants anything from my stockpile grabs it. I kind of selfish when it comes to this, but this is something that I'm keeping. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. But other than that, that is my Walgreens haul. I actually got a lot of stuff that I wasn't going to get, but the biggest thing that you guys definitely want to do is the Gillette deal. I will probably see people go crazy over that, but that is still a pretty good deal. Now, please keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. Some of you guys like it, some of you guys don't. The reason why I use it is because I can save more money and share with you guys more deals. And I also have a ton of Walgreens employees that follow my deals. I even have people that I shop at the stores that say they watch my videos. So just giving you guys a heads up, not trying to, you know, be mean or anything, but that's just the way it is. But my total came to $30.22. Now, I did pay with some registry rewards, so that's how it made my pocket go out of thing, but I always say that's like a coupon or a form of payment. But yeah, $30.22. My cat is near me again. I ended up getting 13,000 points, which is equivalent to $13. Now, I do know I got 3,000 points for the Bic razors, and I got 5,000 points for the Love and Beauty, but I'm not sure how else I got the other points. No idea, but you know what? It could be just, I don't know. I don't even know what I did. But I ended up getting $7.25 back with Ibotta. That is $5 for the Rohoto. I got $2.75 back for the Kleenex. I got 50 cents back for the Cottonelle toilet paper, and then 25 cents for the Cottonelle wipes. So I just needed 4 more rebates to finish level 2. So I also got that, so that'll be a $1 bonus right there. For Fetch Rewards, I'm supposed to be getting $10 back for spending $30, and then I'm supposed to get $4 back for the Kleenex, the Cottonelle, and the other Cottonelle. So that's a $4 more that I'll be getting back. I was supposed to get $15 worth of Register Rewards because I did 3 different transactions of the Gillettes, but the Register Rewards don't print for me, so my store just gave me points. If you guys are in that situation, there's 3 different options that you guys can do. You can contact the Catalina company, you can submit your receipt and they'll send you guys that. You can ask your store if they can send you, give you points, or you can contact Walgreens, but usually if you contact them, they tell you to go to the Catalina company. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. And then with Saving Star, I got spend $20, get $5 off for the Love and Beauty for Saving Star. So that's $5 right there. So if you guys add everything together, it came out to be a $25.03 moneymaker. I know, I love it. Everything was for free and I made a profit. Pretty excited about that. I got 26 items absolutely free. I love it. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, but hopefully you guys can do some of that. I really like stocking up on paper products. A lot of you guys really do that. I have so much paper products. It's crazy. Every time somebody comes to our house, like that helps us with something, we just, here, take a pack of toilet paper, take a pack of towels. So we do that. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I don't know if I'll be doing a second haul. If I can find some other good deals, I'll definitely be doing that for you guys. But I miss the second hauls. I really, really do. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.